Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to on Instagram, how to actually make your Instagram account private. Now by private, we mean that it will allow you to, no one will be able to see your pictures online unless they follow you. And of course, if they try to follow you, they will need your approval before beginning. This can be done in a new account, or of course it can be done on a long existing account, and you can always switch back and forth if you so choose, or if you change your mind later, you can turn the feature off. All right, so the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and find the Instagram application. This will apply to both Android as well as iOS or iPhone. The tutorial is basically done in the same way on both devices, so if you have either, this one tutorial will serve for both. All right, so go ahead and launch Instagram. Go over to your profile. Once you're on your profile as seen here, next you're gonna hit the three lines up or right. Once you do that, you're gonna be taken here. Next, go down to settings, gear icon there, and then you're gonna go to privacy. Now once you're in privacy, at the top of the privacy screen, you should see an option right there, as you see, that says of course private account. And of course, if I wanted to, I can turn this on, and notice it says here, of course I'm on a business account. You are most likely on a personal account. Business accounts are not really meant for this, but of course you notice here it says business accounts can be private. If you want to make your account private, first switch back to a personal account. All right, which is natural. My account is a business account, so please note that it will not work on business accounts. So if you're on a business account, you'll have to switch back to a personal account before you're allowed. So on personal account, meaning that you're an individual, you can actually do that and it will turn on. All right, so for normal persons, you'll be able to turn this on, no issue, and then you'll be on a private account. In case you're a business like me and you want to switch back to a normal account, I'll show you how to do that as well. All right, so the first thing you do is going to come back to the main menu, which is just the regular settings menu. You're going to come down this time and you're going to go to account if you're a business and you want to switch back. And then of course down here it says switch to personal account. You'll have to switch to personal account. I don't want to do this right now since I'm on a business and I'm that's the account I have to use. So you must be on a personal account. If not, simply switch here and then go back as I showed you earlier, and go to privacy, and then you can turn this on once you're on a personal account. All right, so that's how to basically switch to a private account from a personal account, which most of you have. It will be easy, but of course from a business account I've also shown how to do that. All right guys, so this is Ricardo Gardner. So let me wrap up this video and thank you for tuning in, and of course see you in our next tutorial. Bye guys.